Hi everybody, hope you're all well. This is a slightly different intro because when I made the Naanizza intro, I turned this strip light that I have in the kitchen on, and it produced, I mean I could barely see it with my real eyes, but it flickered very, very slightly, very, very faint to the eye. But the camera picked it up enormously, especially at the beginning of the intro for some reason, because the rest of the cooking, etc., you can barely see it. So the flickering is just too much. I was just desperately trying to make the kitchen lighter, because anyone who's followed me from the beginning will know that this kitchen was quite dark. Well, it's still quite dark, but it was certainly darker. Now, when I look back at some of the videos, they're dark. So I had purchased, like, I'm going to turn you around, this light, which has helped a lot. I'd already had this light, which I don't know whether it makes much of a difference, but let's turn it off and see. Yeah, there's a difference. I then had the fairy lights on, because I actually use the fairy lights to cook with. I never have this strip light on normally, but I thought, oh, you know, it'll add more light. And now I've got two videos, this one, and the next one. So I'm going to have to redo the intro to the next one as well, but that's fine. So I'm not turning this one on because it's been flickering as well, which is really unusual because it didn't flicker at the beginning, you know, for the majority of the video. So I don't know why it suddenly started flickering quite badly, as if I've got them on twinkle, and I don't. I like them as steady light. So this light I always cook by, and I mean fairy lights aren't just for Christmas in my opinion, but it's a lot nicer light than this horrible 80s strip light that I'll just quickly, you know. It's not my house, obviously, so I'm not going to change it, but you sort of adapt your kitchen as you can. So this is actually in the socket back there. Obviously I pull this out when I use it, and then these, I actually got this from IKEA, which was very useful. It's going to get all dark now because the light's pointing that way, but this was really useful from IKEA. £3 that cost. So I've got, I mean, one of these is a phone charger, but this is the big light, and this is that smaller light that's clipped to the cupboard. And then the other fairy lights are clipped in there, but you can see with all the sockets, there's 5 in all. I've got, that's for the microwave, that's for the toaster. Oh, and this is the extension lead. I mean, it's crazy. But hey ho, you know, you've got to do what you've got to do in the kitchen or whatever your circumstances you've got. So from now on, after these next 2 videos, I won't put that strip light on, that's for sure. And hopefully you'll enjoy this video that's coming. It's a shame it was a good intro. The ingredients, and I'll list them, are 3 naan breads from Lidl, half a jar of pesto. I mean, I will have them in the cost breakdown. half a jar of red pesto. I bought some basil, which a growing basil from Lidl, which was 59p, and I'm going to repot it so that it will last a lot longer. So it's a really good cheap way of getting growing herbs quickly into your kitchen. I'll do that with coriander as well, actually, and the chives. I often put them, when it's warm enough, put them out in the garden, and then they love it. They grow, as long as you don't cut them till they're right, you know, allow growth. So I'm going to leave you to watch Naanizza now. Thank you. So firstly, let's get the, oh, I need my glasses, hold on. Let's get this out of the box. Caution, please exercise care when unpacking due to numerous sharp devices contained within the box. So they must have different blades then. And it's got a couple of recipes as well, which is nice. Very nice. Oh, so exciting. It looks nifty, to say the least. Put that in there. Not sure how this works. Well, that's there. Quite sure where the blades are. Oh. Unless they're kept in the... So yeah, I think it works like you pull this, which turns that there. So quite a clever idea, actually. It's just blades. Oh, okay. So this is a blade in there.
Not sure how to get this off. I must have to be able to get this off somehow, surely. Do you know, maybe it'll help if I read the instructions. What do you reckon? Okay, I've worked out how to take this off. So this bit comes off. So I'll just lever that off like that. Put that down. And then this, and this would be extremely sharp. So there's extra caution. And then I guess I'll put it in this. Yeah. So I'm going to put the onion in now. I'll be back in a tick. I've actually added another onion because, well, I thought any excess I definitely would use. I just wanted to have a decent amount in there. So I think, yeah, you just put this lid back on. Just move you so you can see. There you are. Right, so the booklet says how many pulls do I need to make? So coarse to medium chopped is 5 to 6 pulls, medium to finely chopped is 7 to 12, and so on. Pureed is 20 plus pulls, so good exercise, I'd say. It's brilliant. Right, so I only want to do coarse to medium, so 6 pulls. Okay, here goes. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. Cool, that's so easy. Look at that. Huh? That's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Love that. Really easy. And no ice watering from cutting lemons. I mean, I had to cut them. I quartered them, but that was no hardship. Fantastic. Let's have a look inside. Brilliant. Right, let's build this pizza, Naanizza. And I forgot to add, I got some basil today or yesterday. I'm going to repot this. This is 59p from Lidl. I'm going to repot it in a bigger pot with fresh, you know, more compost. All that. It's all at the allotment, so I have to go and get some and bring it back. And then it lasts for ages. You know, if you on the windowsill, it's fantastic. Cheap, delicious way to get herbs. You know, quickly. Right, let's get started building these pizzas. See you in a minute. So I'm going to test the size of the naan bread. Oh, I thought I heard knocking then, but it's not. It's someone knocking in their garden. So I'm going to test the size of the naan bread into the Ninja. Yep, that fits fantastic. Brilliant. Obviously, I'm going to do 3. So I'm going to do 2, and then obviously my one. I'm always last, but that makes sense, doesn't it? So yeah, right. Let's get these decorated. What's the word I'm looking for? Oh, I can't think. Right, I'll shut up and start putting pesto on. Half a jar. Now for the chorizo. Just sprinkle on my onion. loads left, so I'm going to save that for when I need to use it for cooking, probably tonight. Basil. And then mozzarella. I'm doing mozzarella last because I want it to weigh down all these, especially the basil, weigh it down, because of the air fryer will create a bit of wind and it will go everywhere. There you have it. Oh, they look good. They actually really look good. I've never tried this before, so this is going to be fun. So the next step is stick them in the Ninja. That's my phone. Sorry about that. It's a notification. I must turn it off. I keep forgetting to do that. Anyway, stick them in the Ninja now. See you in a bit. Okay, let's get these in the Ninja. There we go. Oh, it fits perfectly, these little naan breads. That's absolutely brilliant. Oh, hello. I didn't. Oh, never mind. Well, it's squished in. Right. Okay, so I pull it away from the wall. That's to allow for ventilation, because can you see that socket? It's way too close. Well, and that one too. It's on. It's on. Okay. Match. I think. Oh, do you know what? I don't actually know. Roast, bake, or air fryer. I'm going to say 10 minutes. Let's do 10 minutes. But I will check, because I've actually got no idea how long this will take. Okay, see you in a bit. Oh, smells delicious. Let's have a look. I haven't opened it yet, so I don't know what I'm going to find. Ooh, nice. I don't know if it needs much longer. Can you imagine that? 5 minutes. I might give it a minute. Might get to the 5-minute mark. Wow, 5 minutes to cook that, because it will be intense, I reckon, with the naan, you know, because I've left the crisper plates in. Actually, that's a good point to obviously note. Yeah, let's see what it's like when it hits 5 minutes, you know, on there. Yeah, see you in a bit. So the 5 minutes nearly up, and I'm going to just leave it at 5 minutes. It doesn't need any longer on air fry. Yeah, so let's push this back. Hold on. I'm going to use this to rest the. There we go. Oh, that looks fantastic. In fact, I'll put my one in, and then it can start cooking on the last 5 minutes. Although I'll have to take off match actually. Right, let's just get this one out. Whoa, delicious. I'll just turn that off. Right, I'm going to serve these up and be back and put my one on. See you in a bit. Right, I've pulled it out. Let's get mine on. Right, now we know it's 5 minutes. I'm going to literally put it on for 5 minutes. See you in a bit. But let's just check it halfway through. It's always worth checking, just in case things are speeding along. Mmm, delish. Well, I'm really glad I got that basil, actually. Yeah. Where is it? It's over there. I've watered it. So you always should water those plants when they come from the shop, because they don't get watered when they're in there. Well, I'm pretty sure they don't. Okay, see you in a bit. There we go. Lunch is served. I tell you what, the size of these pizzas, actually, with salad or a small bowl of chips as well as salad, that would be a decent dinner. Oh, look at that. That's fantastic. Let's get the beast out. Yeah, I like that. That's very good. Right, I'll be back for a taste test. See you in a bit. Cool. Beautiful. Right, I'm going to cut it in half and taste it from there. It's still roasting, so this, and it looks very juicy actually. Oh, I need a fork. Hold on. Yeah, there's a lot of juice, which, you know, no bad thing. Ooh. Oh man, it is quite soggy. This is hot. That's nice. Cool, naan. Oh, it's making my mouth water. Excuse me. Right, I think I'm going to need a knife. Oh, there it is. I can't do this without a knife. It's too, it is soggy, but it's delicious. Oh, I love that. That is really nice, that pesto with the basil. Right, I'm going to go and enjoy my lunch. Thank you everybody for watching. Thanks for all your lovely comments. I read them all and I work my way through them to respond. Yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Take care everybody. Bye. Oh, delicious.